guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about hydro dipping some wheels. And so in particular, what we've got is we got a set of motorcycle wheels that we are wanting to do in a carbon fiber finish as well as a candy finish. So it's going to be really cool, going to be quite a long process, but it's going to be really neat to see what all you have to go through, especially on motorcycle wheels, because we get asked that a lot on what do you do, how do you prep them, how do you dip them, things like that. So we thought we'd shoot a quick little video, show you guys some dipping of some motorcycle wheels and what all the processes that we go through to make sure that they look as good as they can. So let's get started. So as you can tell, we have already stripped this entire motorcycle wheel all the way down, and we have gotten it ready to be painted. You can see here we have, of course, taped off the center hub to make sure that we don't get any dirt or anything in between that. We've also put a plug in the valve cover right there, just another way that we can hold it right here. And then also we've already painted it the color that we need, which is going to be the silver metallic for this particular base. Now, the one thing that's going to take a little bit of time in doing is mainly that we're going to have to tape up this entire wheel all the way around in half. And so we're going to have to run a line all the way down through here, just like this, all the way around this entire spot, all the way down through here. And we're gonna have to tape up all of this wheel to get it completely taped up, so then that way we can go ahead and dip it in two sections. Now that we have half of the wheel already dipped, now the slow process again comes with taping up all of the areas where the lines are and dipping the other half. Let's get started. So hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, then definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, as well as if you have any other questions, definitely let us know. We'd love to hear from you on that. If you haven't already, definitely check out the website. The website has anything that you need for Hydrographics, from equipment to supplies to anything in between. Definitely check that out. It's always a great resource. We're gonna have a link in the description for that. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.